If you want to see me mess up my hair, then just keep watching. Hey everyone, so as you can see, my hair is pretty faded. I dyed it bright yellow probably about 2-ish months ago, going on 3. I'm bored with it. I don't want to do yellow again at the moment, so I decided I'm going to dye my hair bright green. Literally just because why not? I have Electric Lizard from Manic Panic. Manic Panic is like a so-so hair dye brand in my opinion, but I love the color of Electric Lizard, and I'd have to like mix like a ton of different colors to get what I wanted in other brands, so I just decided to use this. I only have one of these. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair green. If you want to see me mess up my hair, then just keep watching. So basically, I hate my hair now. The green is ugly, the green is splotchy and patchy, and it just sucked. So I'm trying to go back to yellow. I just really hate how it turned out. This is after I've used clarifying shampoo a few times. I'm just gonna freaking bleach it. Hair grows back, whatever. And yeah, so overall, I do not recommend Manic Panic Electric Lizard. I will do a full review on that. But yeah, overall, I do not like my hair. So great. I failed badly. Thank you for watching. Bye. Go away. Just don't stare at me. What are you doing? Why?